Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how to zoom on Google Sheet. So in case you want to make your data look bigger to type in because you can't see clear enough, I'm going to show you how to zoom. So here at the toolbar, as you can see, the current view is of 50%, and then if you want to zoom the file, just click on this and then you can choose from 50 to 200, and then you can just choose one of them that you can just choose how big you want to your Google Sheet file. Look, for example, I want to make it 150%. Just click on this, and then as you can see, the file has become bigger or zoom in like this, and then you can just type in because you can see more, you can see clearer like this. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can zoom on Google Sheets. So if you got any question, feel free to drop it in a comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.